In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your thumbnails are not showing in Windows 11. So if you're seeing all of these blank icons for your Windows 11 media, then there's a couple of different ways we can fix this. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Start menu and just search for Advanced System Settings. And then from here, just click on View Advanced System Settings. Underneath Performance, click on Settings. Then underneath the Visual Effects tab, you want to make sure that Show Thumbnails instead of Icons is checked like so. If you have this unchecked, that will be the reason why you're not able to see your thumbnails. So all I'm going to do is just tick this box and then press Apply and OK. And then you can press OK to close out of this window. And as you can see, all of our thumbnails have now reappeared. If this didn't work for you, what you can do instead is click on the three horizontal dots in your folder, click on Options, select View from the top, and then you want to make sure this top option where it says Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, make sure this is left unchecked. And then once again, press Apply and OK. Now, once again, you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, the next thing you can do is come back over to the Start menu and this time search for Disk Cleanup. And once you're on the Disk Cleanup tool, just click on OK. And what you want to do here is just uncheck all of these options. And the only one that you want to leave checked is the thumbnails at the bottom. And then we're going to press Clean Up System Files. Then once again, click on OK. And then once again, uncheck all of these options. And the only one that you want to leave checked here is thumbnails. Everything else we can leave unchecked. And then just press OK and select Delete Files. And once you've done that, come back over to your folder and try refreshing it to see if that's now fixed the issue. If it's still not working, the last and final thing you can try doing is heading over to your Start menu, searching for CMD, and then right-clicking on the command prompt and running this as administrator. Now from this window, just type in the following command, sfc/scan now, and then hit enter. And this is just going to scan your system to make sure you don't have any corrupted or damaged files. So you'll need to wait for this verification to get to 100%. And once this is finished, you'll then need to restart your computer. And once your computer's restarted, you can once again check to see if that's fixed your thumbnail issue. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.